Hindi masali si Daw si Chokita. Hindi siya magkita sa camera. Hello.
Ay guys, dili na mo pa-printing na guys. Nag-isip na tayo guys. Tag 5 lang guys. Mine, Sir Baron. Okay, go. Siya rin tag-iya. Mine guys, gusto niyo manok guys. Tag 15 lang. Pero mo sa room ni Sir Baron, na siya yung manok tag 15 lang. Tapos siya Dutch meal guys. Lamit yung Dutch meal guys.
Ano yung Dutch meal?
Dutch meal guys.
Switch off ko.
Chumi
Then go back to your proper seat. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Before we start with our lesson today,
Hi guys. Yeah, follow Sir Baron on TikTok. Yes. Support local.
before we start, I request everyone to please keep unnecessary things at your table,
Last na eh.
especially your phones. If may makita akong nag-cellphone dyan, pagin ko yan. Again, that is not related to our topic today, so keep that.
Ito pa-picture na.
Fix yourselves.
I know.
Kaya po, during my class, nag-supply, nag-make up, skill that is not related to our topic. So, I'll give you 1 minute to fix yourselves and arrange your chairs properly.
Bye guys.
Tingin sa niyo.
Shout out kay Shout out kay Audrey.
Hindi, lailanan na. Ay,
Stop
Alcuetas, Classmate Alcuetas. Classmate Alcuetas.
Classmate na nakikita.
again, stop talking.
Sa classmate na ninyo.
Wait for your time.
Dimas ko na eh.
Nabigyan ko kayo. Mag-discuss with your peers, with your group mates. But today, we're not allowed. Face front, everyone. Sit properly. Sit properly. Face front. Ready? Ready or not? Sino ang
Lala na ninyo.
Bye.
Ito lang isan.